All right, Comey.exe asked me to make this for him, so I'm just going to make it real quick. Basically, I looked for different League of Legends bots because the one we have here just isn't really working. I mean, it was made for season 10 and it's, season 14, so it doesn't really work that well. But this one's being constantly updated, so I go to this GitHub page, which the main page looks like this. Okay, it's lolbot. It's great. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to usage, hit latest release. And the latest release for me wasn't working, so I went ahead and did version 2.21. This one gave me an error, and I didn't really look through the files, but this one it seems to be legit, seems to work. So I hit, if you want, you can download the source code to check it out yourself, but you don't have to. But you're going to hit lolbot.exe. All right, that's going to give you this download. All right, and then the icon will be this thing right here on your screen. So you're going to, here, I'll exit that. You're going to open this up. Perfect. Here we are. Okay, so right here you have your bot. Okay, you have the account, main menu, patch number, and then level. So what you do is you go to accounts. This is where you put in your info. I want to say that because this program is, it's downloaded to your computer, it is completely safe to put in your details. I blurred out my password here so that way you don't see it, but you would put in your username, password, and the level you currently are. Okay. And then you go to configuration. Okay, you can pick the game mode. You can have intro, beginner, intermediate bots. The default is beginner. The account max level 30. All right. The champ pick order 21, 18, 22, 67. You can open up a champion list and see what champions that equals. But basically, it's going to prioritize misfortune. And it has a bunch of these things. They're really not necessary. It comes with them, but it's basically just saying, hey, I'm going mid. If you were in a beginner bot lobby, there's going to be real people. But if you're going to do intro bots, that doesn't matter. You can just get rid of that. The HTTP, this doesn't really matter. The logs, this is like your logs of running the bot. And then the about, it's just if you have any problem, you go to this GitHub link and you can do the update if you want, and maybe do that in a few weeks when it works. But yeah, so what you do is you would hit start bot, okay, and it has no account set. It proceeds anyways. So even with the wrong password, it's still going to get into this account. It's still going to be able to get in there, or maybe it won't. That's not a great example. But basically, it's quitting and relaunching until it'll work. So I stop the bot. If I want to change the password to make it run, I can. I'm not going to do that because, password to an account, I literally just leveled up, so I don't want to do that. But you should be able to easily run this program. Just download the exe, run it, configure your account, and go ahead. That's all you gotta do. I don't know how many things you can do, how many programs you can run, or how many accounts you could do on one computer. Probably just the one. But if you had like a virtual machine system that can play League, that'd be a great way to do it. But take care.